Buying a wrong DJ controller can leave you stuck with limited software, weak connectivity, or features you never use. We compared 5 of the best DJ controllers for 2026, from budget picks to pro-level decks, and one difference separates the winners. Choose your DJ controller based on software compatibility, number of channels, jog-wheel style, connectivity, and whether you need standalone operation. Then balance those features against your budget and the type of DJing you actually do. Now, let's get into the list. Coming in at number 5, the Pioneer DJD DJ-FLX4. It's our best budget pick for beginners who want a portable controller that can grow with them. Its biggest advantage is simplicity. Smart Fader adjusts volume, bass, and BPM during transitions, while Smart CFX makes layered effects easier to trigger. The 2-channel layout follows Pioneer DJ's familiar workflow, and 5-inch touch-sensitive jog wheels plus performance pads give beginners hands-on control for cueing, looping, sampling, and basic scratching. You get 16 performance pads, beat effects controls, a microphone input, and USB audio that can send the mic with your mix for streaming. At 4.63 pounds, it is easy to carry. USB-C supports computer and mobile setups, although mobile USB use requires external power. Key specs include 2 channels, 5-inch jog wheels, 16 pads, and RCA master output. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. This is not a standalone system, and the RCA-only master output is less suited to professional venues than balanced outputs. Buy it if you're learning DJing or want a compact home controller. Skip it if you need 4 channels, standalone operation, or professional outputs. That focus earns it number 5. Coming in at number 4, the Numark MixStream Pro Go. It's our best portable standalone pick for DJs who want to mix without a laptop. Its biggest strength is standalone flexibility. Engine DJ OS plays music from USB, SD, or supported streaming services over Wi-Fi, while the rechargeable battery lasts about 5 to 6 hours depending on settings. The 7-inch touchscreen handles browsing, waveforms, and track loading, while 6-inch capacitive jog wheels include Smart Scratch for easier scratching without losing the beat. You also get built-in speakers, 8 dual-layer performance pads, 4 onboard effects, 3-band EQ, Bluetooth audio input, and wireless lighting control. For gigs, balanced XLR outputs are a major advantage, alongside RCA master out, a mic input, and headphone connections. Key specs are 2 decks, a 7-inch display, 6-inch jog wheels, 2 USB media ports, and an SD card slot. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. Stems must be pre-rendered in Engine DJ Desktop and require a one-time unlock license. The built-in speakers are useful for practice and monitoring, not replacing a PA. Buy it if portability and laptop-free DJing matter most. Skip it if you need 4 channels or deeper club-style controls. That freedom earns it number 4. Coming in at number 3, the Rain 1 Mark II. It's our best motorized scratch pick for DJs who want turntable-style control with modern Serato tools. Its biggest strength is the feel. Dual 7.2-inch high-torque motorized platters offer adjustable torque, while the Mag 4 crossfader gives scratch DJs fast, precise cuts with adjustable tension and curve. That motorized layout feels much closer to vinyl than static jog wheels, and the classic plunger start-stop controls keep transport familiar. The MK2 also adds 29 internal effects, dedicated acapella and instrumental buttons, stem level control, stem FX, stem roll, and secondary pad controls. You get 16 RGB performance pads, precision field channel faders, dual USB connections for DJ changeovers, plus XLR main and booth outputs. Key specs are 2 channels, 2 decks, 7.2-inch motorized platters, and 24-bit 48 kHz audio. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. It requires a computer for Serato, offers only 2 channels, and Serato DVS is a separate paid expansion. Buy it if scratching and motorized platter feel are priorities. Skip it if you need standalone playback or 4-channel mixing. Its focused scratch workflow earns it number 3. Coming in at number 2, the Rain 4. It's our best Pro Serato controller for DJs who want 4 channels and deep performance control. Its standout feature is stems, dedicated a cappella and instrumental buttons, stem level control, and stem split let you separate track elements and manipulate them across the mixer. The 8.5-inch static jog wheels provide plenty of control, while their center displays keep BPM, waveform, key, loop, and deck information directly in view. You also get 16 RGB performance pads, 22 internal main FX, Serato channel FX, and a tension-adjustable Mag 4 crossfader. The 4-channel mixer adds flexible routing, while dual USB computer connections make DJ changeovers easier in professional setups. Professional connections include XLR main, RCA main, TRS booth, dual microphone inputs, and 2 phonoline inputs. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. The platters are static, not motorized, and Serato DVS requires a separate paid expansion. Buy it if you want advanced Serato stems and serious 4-channel control. Skip it if motorized platters or standalone playback matter more. That professional workflow earns it number 2. Taking our number 1 spot is the Pioneer DJ-FLX10. It's our best overall pick for DJs who want professional 4-channel control without being locked into one performance style. Its biggest advantage is versatility. Dedicated stems controls let you isolate vocals, drums, and instruments, adjust their levels, or apply effects to individual parts for live mashups. The large jog wheels combine responsive control with customizable displays, keeping waveforms and track information directly on the decks, while the multicolor rings provide additional visual feedback. You also get 16 performance pads, 6 sound color effects, 14 beat effects, and the precise 4-sensor Magvel crossfader. Its 4-channel, club-style layout supports Rekordbox, Serato DJ Pro, and DJ Pro, while dual USB-C connections make switching between computers easier. Professional connectivity includes XLR and RCA master outputs, a balanced booth output, external deck inputs, dual microphone inputs, and dedicated DMX output for Rekordbox lighting. Here is the main thing to know before buying it. It isn't standalone, it's relatively large, and DVS features may require additional software licensing. Buy it if you want 4-channel mixing, strong stems tools, professional connectivity, and broad software flexibility. Skip it if portability or standalone operation matters more. That versatility makes the DJ-FLX10 our number 1 overall pick. Choose the controller that best fits how you actually DJ, whether that's learning, scratching, standalone mixing, or pro performance. Check the links below for current prices and availability. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching Gadget Flow.